This is a PIXLIP Go 1 meter wide, and we're going to show you how to set it up. The whole thing comes in a practical bag like this, which you can use to transport it from one trade show to another. And I'd say, let's take a look inside to see what's included. To do that, I'll start by laying out all the parts clearly. First step, we take the two Shasam LED profiles for the base and the top. We insert the corner connectors into both ends, left and right. And for a stable stand for the light box, we slide the two base plates directly under what will be the bottom profile. As you can see, for the entire assembly, we don't need any strength or tools. Now we connect the power cable to the short extension and place this extension into the groove of the corner connector. One of the side profiles has a power supply unit, and I slide this onto the corner connector with the cable here. Plug the cable into the power supply unit. I grab the short spiral cable and now connect the LED module at the bottom. Now a side profile is also attached to the opposite corner connector. From the materials I laid out, I take the two longitudinal connectors and join them with the strut, which will later give the frame additional stability. And then onto the side parts. Great! Now we build upwards with the other two side profiles and finish our little construction site with the previously assembled top cover. Now that the frame is standing, we'll take care of the power supply for the upper LED module. For this, we take the long spiral cable and run it from the lower LED module along the side profile up to the top, and the power supply for your PIXLIP Go system is set up. By the way, if you want to connect several PIXLIP Go elements together, you can do so. You can use this included extension. It is connected here to the power supply and then laid across the center bar to the other side of the frame. At the bottom, at the corner connector, it goes out through the small cutout. You'll need to briefly unplug the small connector from the LED module for this, otherwise it gets a bit fiddly. And with this cable, you can then supply power to the next PIXLIP Go module. The delivery includes these small cable clips and plates, and with these, you can securely fasten your wiring to the struts and profiles. And before we put on the covering, we'll test once to see if all the lights are working. We'll start with the blockout on the backside. I start at the top in one of the corners and first press the piping into the transparent pixel print clips, then into the groove of the frame, working my way from corner to corner until the fabric sits nice and smooth all around without any wrinkles. And now I repeat the process on the front side with our printed design. So now just connect the power here, it lights up and we're done. It really couldn't be any easier. You can find more helpful videos at Pixel.